The recent international break highlighted the quality and depth of talent in both England and Wales, offering a glimpse of the future for both national sides. England delivered a 5-0 dominant win over Serbia, blending experience with emerging talent as Tottenham's Jed Spence made history as the first Muslim to earn a senior England cap, coming on in the 69th minute. His debut was celebrated as a landmark moment for British Muslims in football. Alongside him, captain Harry Kane opened the scoring. Noni Madueke netted his first international goal, and defender Ezri Konsa and Mark Gahey also scored, while Marcus Rashford finished the victory with a late penalty. The blend of youth and experience illustrated England's ability to integrate promising talents while maintaining a strong competitive squad.
No, I never set limits to my thoughts, and we play the game how it plays out, and we were very strong. I think it was teamwork in its purest form. We helped each other out. We had the right intensity in the right moments. We put the work in to not allow one shot on target for a strong home team. And if you want to do this, you need to support each other. You need to play disciplined and keep the intensity up. This is what we did, and players did excellent. So full credit to the team. We had, I told you before, we had a brilliant week from start to finish, and this was the proof of it.
We've spoken a lot about your religion and how important that is to you, and we understand you're the first Muslim player to play for the men's senior England team.
Yeah.
How proud are you of that?
Yeah, it's a blessing. It's great, and yeah, it's good to make history, and hopefully it inspires young kids around the world that yeah, they can make it as well. They can do what I'm doing, so yes, I know.
And a debut where you win 5-0 away at a team like Serbia.
Yeah, they're strong teams to break down, but yeah, the boys had a good performance, and yeah, we break them down well, and got 5 goals, so yeah, happy.
Efficiency, being involved in goals with assists and finishes and goals. So that's why I'm very happy today, because he played with the hunger and with the directness. And on top of it, he needs to stay focused. And I'm the most happy about his attitude today. The reaction after ball losses, the work that he put in to help Reece, because we played a back 4 against the back 5, so to help against the wing backs. And to push forward again into pressing. So the work rate is what I like the most in his performance today. And yeah, from there he's fast, he's direct, and he likes to dribble. That's what we want from him.
Wales under Craig Bellamy also showcased emerging stars. Dylan Lawlor, a 19-year-old Cardiff City academy product, made a commanding debut at centre-back against Kazakhstan, earning it man of the match. Joel Colwell, another promising youngster, received his first senior call-up and was included off the bench in their friendly in Swansea against Canada.
The insanity of the transfer market, the window. We didn't see him until Monday night. And they've had very little training for 4 or 5 days, even some of them even a week leading into it. We have one training session because we travelled on a Tuesday. And then game. It's like, that was new. That was really new. As much as you want to be prepared for it, I found that different, really different. But this has been nice because we got back here Friday late. And now we've had Saturday, Sunday, today. So that's been, it's been nice to get some training into them, because a lot of our players as well haven't been training. Not just playing, but haven't been training. So due to 1 or 2 circumstances, which happens this time of year. Yeah, this has been, it's been nice leading into this game. But yeah, we've all come through it fine. We're all good.
The international break reinforced a key trend as both nations are successfully integrating young homegrown talent with established internationals, ensuring strong performances and a promising pipeline of players for the future.